Hey everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video I will show you how you can simply add counter for your website in Elementor. So let's start. The first thing you want to do in search widget, write counter and just take it and paste it. Now as you can see, this is like the really easy counter, but what we're going to do is like add more counters. So the first one will be starting number 0 and 2050. You can get like number suffix, I don't know. It's really up to you. Then you got like 1000 separator, animation duration, okay, default. If you're gonna have like the separator here, how much we made. Then you're gonna see like the style, you can edit the colors and everything. But what we are going to do is that I'm going to copy it. I will create a column. I will paste it here. And then I'm going to click on navigator. And I will take my counter and I will edit it. Paste it right next to the second counter here. And you can have like the more next to each other. Give me a second. Yep, this is what we're looking for. So I just created a new column and I edited it like that because I wanted to have it like this. So voila. Now what we are going to do is that I'm going to edit this one here to okay. Okay, this is fine. So when I have it, you can also change like the advanced here. Okay, this should be fine probably. Yeah, this is fine. I'm really thinking if I could do more, but I think this is enough. So this is probably it, guys. What you can do is also like when you're gonna paste it here and here, so it's going to be closer to each other. This is like the second option, but I'm going to preview the change. Let's see how it looks like. So you can choose like which option you actually like. Thank you everybody. Have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.